Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Clayton J.
I'm Molly.
And today, it's Molly's birthday. But when it's one dog's birthday, it's the other dog's birthday. So it's Molly's birthday, but Polo made Molly, so we gotta give Polo something too. We want to get something hard because we always like to get something hard for them to eat, so it takes them a bit to eat, you know, at least 30 minutes. But everything we've been giving them, they fucking eat in like 1 second. So we're trying to get this. Yeah, so we're trying to get something that might be a little harder for them to chew. And we got this for Polo. Molly has so much balls, maybe for her birthday we'll just play ball with her or something, because she already has so much toys. And she only played with one ball, so we're not going to get her any toys. And we were going to get her this, but this is more for Polo, because Polo likes balls, and then he can chew on this. He likes big-ass balls. Molly likes baby balls, he likes big balls. Oh, $3. You can get that for Molly. That's kind of cute. If you really want to. $3 for 4 balls.
She has broken a lot of them.
Yeah, it is a little harder though.
She plays with these though, doesn't she?
I don't know. It's only.
I mean, yeah.
Why not? Okay, never mind. We got Molly some more balls. I'm just looking around, just seeing. Okay, I'm just seeing any toys to get my baby girl. Cause yeah, we're gonna do that. And oh, whoopsies. Hey guys. Hey birthday girl. How old is birthday girl?
I'm not sure.
I thought you said 3.
She is.
She's 3. And how old's Polo?
6.
You big boy. Yes. All right, so.
I'm starving myself.
You're still.
Starting now.
No,
Oh, that's not
wait,
for you.
Here. Open it. Get in there. Go get it. Get it, Polo. Here. Look. He keeps going in the kennel.
You want Mama to open it for you? Hi, birthday girl. Happy birthday, my sweet girl.
He's getting in there. He's getting in it.
Molly's birthday, but Polo's birthday.
Yeah. He's like, I see treats. Yes, you do. Yeah. Treats? Yeah, treats? Do you want treats, Polo? Do you want treats? You want treats? You want a treat? You want a treat? Polo wants a treat.
Hey, can you get that?
Oh, all right.
Happy
all
birthday,
right, so
Molly.
we're going to open their stuff. You want to open it?
I'll open this bag.
Okay. Happy birthday.
We're just showing their stuff, right?
We can show our stuff if we want to. What we
Well,
got.
I'm not going to show that.
What did you get?
It's just the thing I got from my mom.
Oh, yeah.
So,
We bought some
this?
birthday presents or Christmas presents already, so.
We got this. It's Molly's birthday, but unfortunately it is for Polo. And
Here, buddy. Look, Polo. Look. You ready? You ready, buddy? Get it. Yeah.
He'll hopefully like it.
Hopefully he likes that. You want to do this in this one? All right. Oh, wait. There you go. It's Christmas presents, and I don't know if any of her people watch my channel, but if they do, I don't want them to see what they get for Christmas. That's in like 6 months. All right, let's show you guys. So first, yeah.
I'm so happy for you, birthday girl.
Pig ears. You got pig ears.
Okay,
You can have some. Yeah. You can have. Oh yeah. Good birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, that's one of your treats. Shit, say one spot below.
He's so excited. And Em's just like, what did I get?
Look.
Happy
Fruit
birthday.
Abel's Greek coconut yogurt flavored.
Oh, yeah.
Made with pumpkin granola mix. So here, this is the first one. This is the second one. Yep, those are yours.
She doesn't understand. She's just like, why am I
And
this way?
last but not least,
New balls
new
for
balls.
Emmy.
New balls. Oh. Okay.
Emmy, come here.
Sorry, you got your balls
It's
taken
your
away.
birthday.
And hey, Polo's back, but the balls aren't back.
I love her so much.
And then I bought myself this.
Lotion.
Like, yeah.
They're like, what did you get, Dad?
That's mine. All right, let's go get Molly's balls. You ready? You ready? Here, Polo. Here. Grab it, buddy. Grab it, Polo. Polo, come here. Here.
I hope they like it.
Polo. Grab it, buddy. Here, Polo. Look, buddy. Polo. I hope he likes this. Damn, it was $10. Polo. Here, buddy. Ready, go get it. Oh, hit Molly.
You did hit Molly.
Okay, you ready for your balls? Yeah, you ready for your balls. Look how pretty and nice these look. Yeah. Wait. Make them sit over by you.
Molly, come on. Come here. Sit.
All right.
Molly, sit.
Go grab.
What? Get it, Mom. Get a ball.
No, she wants the red
Molly, go get a
one.
ball.
Go get one, Molly. Get one. Which one? You want the blue one? Yeah. Sit. Yeah. Yes. Sit. Yes. Good girl. Hey, we got 2 more. Sit. Let's see which one out of them wins. Sit.
Oh.
Polo one. All right, let's try one more time. Sit. Come here. Happy birthday. Good girl. Hope you had a good day. You like your ball? Polo stole it, but look at him. And they're even Nerf. Oh.
Molly.
Polo stole it.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Sorry, Polo stole all of it. Which one do you want to eat out of these? You choose. You ready? Nope. Go over there.
Molly, come here. Polo,
go over there. Oh,
come on.
Go.
Hey, right here, Paul. Right here.
Sit. Go get it. Which one, Molly? Which one? Molly, go get which one? Which one do you want to eat? Which one?
Oh, she picked the big one.
You want this one? Okay.
Polo, it's not your birthday. He's so
Yeah, it's my
excited.
birthday. Okay, so they're gonna have some pig ears.
Oh my god.
Here.
I think Em should have got one first. It's her birthday.
Sorry. She got the big one.
Yes, Em. Go eat that, baby. Hey, can you get all the balls out? She's uncomfortable with all of them.
Polo puts it up. This is Polo's kennel. It used to be Molly's.
Okay, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Hey, birthday girl. Hey. So, Molly, it's her birthday, and I'm looking in her kennel, and she has not ate it. What? I guess now she's going to? I was going to get her other teeth. Nope. Maybe she's hiding it for later. You guys saw that, right? You hiding it for later tonight? You hiding it later tonight? You're going to snack? You want to snack later tonight? No, that's what you want. Yeah, because it's literally in there. Watch, I'll grab it again. She'll put it back. I think this is this what dogs do? Get your treat. Sit. Here. Alright, so I'm going to let her try her new one. This one. I don't think she's ever had coconut yogurt before, so that's pretty fucking cool. Ready for some coconut yogurt? You've had like pumpkin, and this does say it has pumpkin granola mix. She's had pumpkin before. She loves pumpkin. She got some pumpkin treats. So this is what these look like. Alright. They smell good. You want to try one? Come over here. Come here. Front and center. Sit. Nope, come right here. Sit. Let her do it. Come here. What? Sit.
And remember their dog treats.
What's that mean?
You can't have them.
Who said so? She likes them. She likes them. I locked Polo in the room so she can have it by herself and not have him, like, attack or anything. I'll give you one more. But that's it. Because it's your birthday, I'll give you one more. And you sit really cute. I love you. You ready? There you go. She really likes these. I'm so glad we got them. This was last minute because it's only $3.99. I got all these at TJ Maxx. So, like, let's just get her one more treat, you know. So that's awesome. I'm going to go get Polo, and I'm going to let him try these, see what he likes. Did you eat it all, boy? Damn, I don't see it. I don't see it. I think he already ate his pig ear. All right, boy. Front and center. Oh, Molly up for another one. Sit. Here, Molly gets another one. Move right here, Pillow. Right here. No. Right here, Pillow. Sit. You ready? Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy.
You are treating
up,
him.
Up, Molly. Up. Sit. Up. Come on, Molly. Up. Come on. Out. Come on, Pillow. Come out. Pillow, come here. All right, I'll give you one more. Come right here.
Crap.
It's their birthdays. Sit. Come on. Up. Good boy. Good boy. One more, Polo. Come here. Sit. Okay, you ready? Sit. Lay.
It's Molly's birthday.
Up. Pretty. Sit pretty. Come on.
Are they
right here. Sit.
actual, like, treats for
I hope so. Stay. Up, Polo. Up. Come on. Up, buddy. Up. Oh, he's not listening. One more, Molly. Come here. One more. That's it. Love you. Have a good birthday. I think our dogs had a great birthday. Come here, Polo. Good boy. Good boy. No, that's all you can have. Yeah. You say thanks to Molly. It's her birthday. Thanks, Molly. Have a good birthday.
You're not just dog talker dog.
Good boy. Your birthday's coming up. I don't think so. I don't know. We don't know when his birthday is.
Yeah, we do.
What day?
I have to look at my calendar. We don't know the day. We know the month.
Oh, we know the month, not the day, so we made up a random day. But his birthday hopefully will be up soon. I think it passed. But yeah. This was their birthdays, and now they left a mess for me to clean up while they're sleeping. So.
He puked all over me.
Nuh-uh.
No, he did a really big burp.
Oh my god, I was like, what? Alright, so, yeah, thank you guys for being here for their birthdays. I think that's it. I just wanted to record because it's Molly's birthday, and we love Molly, so yeah. Spam the comments with happy birthday, Molly. We all love her. She's an amazing dog. And yeah, love you guys. See you guys next video. Bye.